Editor minimap render characters. Render the actual characters on the line as opposed to color blocks. So by default, this is set to true, and what you actually see in the minimap are the real characters that are coming from your code. Now you can set this to false and take a look at the minimap, and then you just have color blocks, which to me is kind of weird. It feels like you're coding in Minecraft and you don't really have that resolution. I prefer this one as true. It gives it a little bit more realism to the minimap, and I just prefer it this way. Also, I mean, if you have decent vision, you can actually see. I mean, not that you can read the code, right? The characters from the minimap, but it's just a little bit more precise in when you're navigating it.